Even the bull is saying, please wear masks. What's up guys, good morning. So this is the morning of 1st August. I have packed my bag, made my coffee, filled my sanitizer and ready to roll. I'll have my coffee right now, book an Uber and wait for Malla to just get ready. Bye. I'll miss this place. Papa is sleeping and everybody is sleeping. So bye Mallar. Take care. What's up guys, good morning. So I'm here at the Raleigh airport going back to Boston. Did my security check and now going towards my gate. I'll miss this place, man. This was a fun 20-day vacation for me. It was nice staying home, eating good food, just chilling. And yeah, let's see, now going back to Boston, there's a lot of hustle going on. There are so many things. I need to get my driver's license done. I need to get my furniture because I'll be shifting to a new house by the end of August. And yeah, many more things to become. Even the bull is saying, please wear masks. So this is the situation of the airport. And yes, even in this pandemic, people are traveling probably because of their work or visiting family. But yes, this pandemic has affected traveling and this industry big time. So let's see. I hope Washington airport. So I'm flying from Raleigh to Washington. It's a 1-hour flight, and then I would be taking another hour-and-a-half flight from Washington to Boston. So hopefully by 12 noon I'll be landing in Boston, and probably like in next half an hour I would be home. So hope for a better flight. Just landed in Washington Dallas airport, going towards my gate. I have a 50-minute layover here. The boarding will start in next 20-30 minutes. There are a lot many people here, and yes, it was a good flight. Good job, United. Back to Boston. Feels so good to be home. It was a good 4-hour flight from Raleigh to Washington and Washington to Boston. Now I'll just take my bag, go home. I've ordered food that is also on its way, and I have ordered groceries also for the week. I don't want to go out again. Trying to quarantine until I get my COVID results. I'll do the test probably on Monday. So let's see. Till then, I'll reach home and talk to you. Good evening from Boston. So I came in by 12. I just had food and I slept. But then yes, this is Boston. Back to home, back to hustle, and I already miss Raleigh. I don't know why. I'm just homesick in Raleigh just because I was too much comfortable, and also I know Malhar since like last 6 years, more than 6 years. So it's kind of a happy place when you have someone you know from so long here in US. And yeah, that's the story. See you in the next vlog. Probably I'll be going for a COVID test on Monday. Let's see how things turn up. And yes, I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm a newbie in this field. I need your support, and thank you so much for the love that you have been showing. I can see that on my analytics, and thank you, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.